Arguably, the most difficult aspect of SEO is link building. This job calls for technical skills, creativity, and plain old grit and grind. Now, if you're new to link building, or you've attempted it before but had little luck, today's link building guide will help you effectively obtain backlinks so you can rank your sites higher in Google. This is the digital guide, and we are going to talk about backlinks and SEO, Beginner Edition. You must first comprehend the terms link building and SEO. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is the process of making a website appear more prominently in search results. This increases our visibility and viewership. As a result, the website will get more recognition and, depending on the type of service it provides, such as e-commerce or appointment scheduling, more clients or consumers are obtained. On the other hand, link building is by definition the process of obtaining backlinks or links from other websites to a page on your own website. The most popular strategies for link building are content marketing, creating practical tools, email outreach, mending broken links, and public relations. In conclusion, link building and SEO work aid in the expansion of websites and blogs. Therefore, it is crucial to comprehend how to work with link building and SEO when you're creating a website. Here's where I step in. I'll be teaching you platforms to aid in link building and SEO in this beginner's guide. And if, after watching all of this, you still don't understand link building, I'll explain one way you can hire individuals at low prices to perform the task for you. Let's get going right away. Anything that will potentially drive traffic to your website is a backlink. It involves more than just adding hyperlinks to your website. If you want to rank for competitive phrases, backlinks are a must. And the phrases that will generate the greatest traffic and revenue for your business are frequently ones that are competitive. How do you then acquire backlinks? There are 3 methods to obtain them: via creation, purchase, or acquisition. Creating backlinks requires adding links manually to your website or blog. This approach is quite simple. Results, however, are less certain. The first step is to actually start a blog page. You can see that I've already created one. You can easily access websites like Wix, WordPress, and Weebly, where you may create your own website for free if you haven't done so already. You essentially just add links to your blog. The process doesn't stop there though. You need to check to see if you're generating traffic in order to determine if your link building strategy is effective and performing its objective. Let's imagine though that I use the term straight cut jeans or sneakers when writing a blog post about the newest fashion trends. The following most crucial step is to highlight these keywords and include a link to them. The links would point to active blog posts from your website or online store. Simply put, connect to your new blogs from any relevant ones that receive higher traffic than others. Therefore, we just need to put the words link here. This permalink option provided by Blogger gives you the choice of copying the current URL they've created for you or creating your own link that you can subsequently add to other websites and blogs to increase traffic. This is about as basic a strategy as you can use when just starting out. Now, we will need the assistance of a tool to increase the effectiveness of our SEO. Therefore, for that, I recommend that you visit Ahrefs.com. Ahrefs is the world's leading backlink builder, and it may help you improve your SEO. Once Ahrefs has loaded, create an account. Your price plan must be chosen once you click the sign up button. This platform is not fully free, as you have already seen, but it will nevertheless be worthwhile to invest in. You will receive your own SEO dashboard, Site Explorer, Keyword Explorer, Site Audit, Rank Tracker, and alerts with just the Lite plan, which has a price point of $99. Of course, a more expensive price plan gives you more advanced services, but the least expensive one should be adequate. Now, before we check out some of the tools and benefits of signing up to Ahrefs, are you enjoying our video so far? Leave us a thumbs up and interact on our comments below. Depending on your plan subscription, Ahrefs gives you access to your own dashboard, which gives you a summary of how certain keywords are performing. When it comes to designing and writing a blog, keywords are quite crucial, especially for SEO, since having the appropriate keywords raises the rank of your website or channel in search results. Additionally, the statistics under domain ratings, referring domains, backlinks, organic traffic, organic keywords, and traffic coming from different parts of the world will allow you to observe how your websites or blogs are performing. Depending on the package you choose to purchase, you may additionally utilize the tool Site Explorer in addition to the dashboard. Here you can monitor your backlinks and see how they stack up against those of other websites. It will display information about your backlinks in depth. Therefore, creating backlinks is also quite simple. It increases organic traffic to your website or blog, and it enables you to operate a flourishing online company. As you are well aware, keywords are crucial to SEO. With Ahrefs, you can analyze various keywords, their position in search results, and other relevant information. For instance, if your term is Teespring, you can examine all the data, including the advertisements, volume, KC, CPC, traffic, results, and URLs by simply typing in the keyword. You may check out Ahrefs, a useful and straightforward tool for link development, by checking them out now. Now, if you still find it difficult to comprehend all the ramblings we have about link building and SEO, I would recommend hiring someone to develop your links for SEO so that you don't have to. Through certain freelancing platforms like Fiverr.com, you may employ someone for far less than 99 cents per hour. Once the page has loaded, look through their hot topics to learn how to effortlessly use SEO. If I just scroll down a bit, I can find individuals wanting to work for 20 or 30 bucks since there are so many people in this niche. Therefore, if you're searching for a means to develop links for SEO, you may engage a knowledgeable individual, an expert, and have all the link building and SEO work done for you for very low fees. Keep in mind that these strategies are only appropriate for individuals who are total newbies with existing websites that they desire to enhance. Once you've gotten a feel for the situation, you may consider far more sophisticated tactics. These are just a few of the things that will progressively improve the SEO of your website and help it rank higher. And if you liked this tutorial, please like, share, and subscribe for more marketing tutorials and videos. I have been your digital guide. I'll see you on the next one.